Today I want to introduce SIGLENT's new SDG2000X series function arbitrary waveform generator. The SDG2000X has a high-performance sampling system with 1.2 gigasample per second sampling rate and 16-bit vertical resolution, which results in more accurate reconstructed waveforms and lower distortion. The SDG2000X has excellent analog channel performance. Its bandwidth for the analog channels is greater than 120 MHz when performing a frequency response test with white noise. The SDG2000X has high fidelity sine wave output. Almost no spurious waveforms are observed at a frequency of 60 MHz and an amplitude of 0 dBm. The SDG2000X also has a large output capacity. It can guarantee output amplitude up to 20 volts peak to peak on both channels, even at 20 MHz. The SDG2000X has a low noise floor which improves the signal-to-noise ratio. With the SDG2000X's innovative Truarb technology, it can generate arbitrary waveforms point by point, never skipping any point, so that it can reconstruct all the details of the waveform as defined. Truarb effectively overcomes the defect that DDS may cause with the one-clock jitter in arbitrary waveforms. The SDG2000X uses SIGLENT's innovative Easy Pulse technology. When a square pulse waveform is generated by a DDS, there will be one-clock jitter if the sampling rate is not an integer-related multiple of the output frequency. Easy Pulse technology successfully overcomes this weakness in traditional DDS designs and helps produce low jitter square pulse waveforms. The pulse width can be fine-tuned to the minimum of 16.3 nanoseconds, with the adjustment step as small as 100 picoseconds. The rise and fall times can be set independently to the minimum of 8.4 nanoseconds at any frequency, and with a maximum of 22.4 seconds. The adjustment step is as small as 100 picoseconds. The SDG2000X supports AM, FM, PM, FSK, ASK, DSB-AM, modulation, internal and external 2 modulation sources to meet the needs of most complex applications. It has a 4.3 HD display with touchscreen, which provides a very efficient instrument control experience. The SDG2000X includes our EasyWave software, which provides some powerful arbitrary waveform editing functions, like manual drawing, line drawing, equation drawing, coordinate drawing, and many other features which make it very easy for users to edit their own arbitrary waveforms. This has been a demonstration of the SDG2000X series function arbitrary waveform generator designed by SIGLENT.